sir.
Jai Gurudev. How are you, sir?
Jai Gurudev.
Sir, good morning, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev, sir. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, sir. Good morning, sir.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai
Good
Gurudev.
morning.
Good morning.
Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning. Thank you, ma'am. Same to you also, ma'am, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Jai Gurudev. Maybe I request once again for all the people who have joined recently, see that your audio is muted and your video is kept on and your mobile is aligned, especially to keep your wide image of the your home or your place where you are sitting. And movements of the camera shall be avoided. I think Aishwarya is aligned. Aishwarya is not aligned her mobile. Yes. No, I want horizontal alignment in landscape. Even Geeta madam also. You make your screen rotation of your mobile. Enable your screen rotation of your mobile. Yes. And see that your mobiles are kept at your eye level or at your face level. Don't keep them at the down and don't give an image of your fans or your any other facility at home. Geeta madam, you are yet to align your mobile. Keep your mobiles at a fixed place. Cholupa Devaraji.
Jai Gurudev Shakti.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Sir, whether Mr. Narasimhan, have you called Mr. Narasimhan, sir? Have we shared the link to him, sir? Your audio.
Yes, madam, I have shared.
Okay.
I will call him now.
9 o'clock. Okay.
Welcome, sir. Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev Narasimhan ji.
You are unable to see him.
The sir is making his own adjustment. Sir is with a wish to Gurukulam. Thank you, sir.
Ms. Nandini, please mute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Narasimhan, can you lower your camera a little bit? Thereby we can get a full. Yes. Now it's okay, sir. Yes. We can get you a portrait. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Even
Jai Gurudev, madam. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கீழே இருக்கிட்டா நல்லா இருக்கும் சார். இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கீழே. Yes. Good. Yes. Ma'am, it's 9.
Very happy to see you, sir. Hearty welcome to you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for inviting me for your Teachers Day
I'm
program.
honored with your presence, sir.
I'm so blessed.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Teachers, we have all worked together. One day or other, we would like to see you like this. Sir is playing a great role in the field of education. Yes, hearty welcome to you, sir. Sir, can we start?
Yes, madam.
Shakti,
Can start.
over to you.
Good morning to all of you, my dear teachers.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So first of all, I wish you a very, very happy Teachers Day. On
Thank
this
you.
auspicious occasion of birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So it is a yes, sir.
Sir, we have an agenda.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we'll follow the agenda, sir.
Fine, sir.
Yes. Now, computer department, over to your agenda.
Jai Gurudev. Good morning. A mentor empowers a person to see a possible future, says Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Teacher creates superhuman beings and instills values, respect, love, care, concern, and gives meaningful life. A good teacher teaches, a fine teacher explains, and an exemplary teacher inspires. A teacher is the one who puts into the mind a child the very existence and meaning for his or her life on this earth. On this day, we gratefully remember the important role a teacher plays in our life. Hence, Teachers' Day is very important for all of the students and even for all the parents, as the teachers lay the foundation for creating enlightened citizens for the nation. So let's all pat ourselves for being in this profession, and today is our day to be celebrated. I wish you all happy Teachers' Day. Lamp leads us from darkness towards light. It is a tradition to light a lamp first before starting any auspicious events or rituals. Light symbolizes the absence of darkness, grief, and unhappiness. Almighty's divine grace is spread all over by lighting the lamps. The essence of meditation is a period of time set aside to contemplate the Lord, listen to Him, and allow Him to permeate our spirits. Let us all unite our minds and souls in the presence of God to seek His abundant blessings. Now let's all listen to Tamil Thai Varthu.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமெதில் தெக்கணமும் அது சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறனுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Speech is the mirror of the soul. As a man speaks, so he is. Now, I request our correspondent, Mr. Mohan Sundar, the man of excellence, to introduce the guest and welcome the gathering.
Jai Gurudev, good morning, and my Teachers' Day wishes to all of you. I pray the Almighty to give you enough strength to combat any adversity in life, and to be happy always, and to be content in what we have, and to lead a very happy and joyful life with all the kit. Today, it's a different situation for all of us. We are not together physically, but we are together through our thoughts. People across the country, maybe from here also to from Nilgiris, where our colleague Mr. Pramod is there, and to the eastern side, where our colleagues Mr. Prasad and our physics teacher, and right up to the west, near Pakistan, in a strategic place, our friend Mr. Narasimha. Like that, many people across the world got united today because we are together in our lives. And we have chosen one thing in our life, that to be a teacher. That's a great in our life for making a decision of giving your knowledge forever to the next generation. So I pay my pranams to all of you on this day for having chosen to be a teacher. I wish you all the best. And dear teachers, it's a very great honor for me to sit before you and to give a brief introduction of our colleague in Rajasthan, because we still feel that we have that ambience what we have taken up in our mentoring institute, Maharishi Vidya Mandir. We just started our schooling with a great ambition. Then, as the school was budding, the school was in its primitive days. It had no facility then, but the facilities have been carved out because already it is there. We need to identify those facilities. As some people say that, how did you get this beautiful sculpture or beautiful image or beautiful idol? It is already there, and we need to remove all our other unwanted material. Thereby, we'll be having whatever we require in life also. We have everything with us, and we need to identify how to make it by removing all our unwanted thoughts, maybe the negatives, the pessimistic way. Let us be optimists and see that every situation is very good for us. Why I'm saying this one? Today, the one profession which is badly hit economically is the teacher, because some institutes are unable to survive. This morning also I heard when I was talking with one of my college mate, and he is also running a school, and they have taken a decision to close the school near Karimangalam. So it was unfortunate because the pandemic has hit the normal life of all of us. Let us be very strong and committed. Let us not lose our hopes on this day, because Nalai Namade. Let us be hopeful for the days to come, and let us cherish whatever the little we could do during this pandemic situation. We have developed a lot of courage, and we have developed a lot of innovations. How to make the things suitable even at difficult situations. Today, we are able to organize a meeting of this kind because technology is very well organized and it is a boon to all of us. I would like to recall that how technology has embraced the entire world today. It has brought the entire world into a very small cubicle that we are able to see within this rectangle frame all the people across the globe. That is the beauty of the technology. So we salute all those people who have worked in bringing up this technology into our home, making us closer together and to celebrate. In that connection, Mr. Narasimhan is the one who is a beacon to many of us, and he has evolved from a very simple background, from a village near Kavaripatnam. I think it is Mittur, no sir? Mittur.
Yes, sir.
Mittur. Mittur. It is just taking a deviation to the KRP Dam, Krishnagiri Reservoir project. It's coming from a very peasant, very ordinary family, from a peasant. So their main program is cultivating paddy and other vegetables, flowers, etc. I have visited his house a couple of times, maybe at two different incidents. So I was so pleased to see that the background of his hamlet, it's not a big village, it's a very small hamlet. And he has rose to a position to this extent because of his perseverance, determination, and courage to take the life forward. So we, the first generation learners, have taken up this leading role. Really, I encourage all the people who have a lot of resources behind you, within you. I wish all of you to be a part of this school later, maybe after 20 years, after 15 years, from a very big position in your life. I wish you all to grow yourself in all the possible ways, in all the 360 degrees, and see that you are making your achievements and you're touching very great heights in life. Because Sri Gurukulam feels proud that it is nurturing not only students and also the teachers. That's what we have initially started when we were part of Maharishi, that we wanted to make leaders. Today, the students are not part of our program. That's why I take this opportunity to educate each of you to develop that courage, interest, enthusiasm, and to see that you are able to achieve the greater heights. I wish you all the best. To become a part of Sri Gurukulam celebrations, maybe in the next generation of us, we may be here or not, maybe after 50 years, or maybe after 20 years, you shall be a part of this one as a chief guest. That's our interest and our wish. I wish it will happen. Mr. Narasimhan was with us maybe when he was a bachelor. And of course, those days were very, very great. And we used to enjoy a lot of togetherness. That was the beauty of our early days of teaching. We were in the primitive days of our learning. And of course, we have explored a lot. Conducted many events at the school level with the little infrastructure what we had then. And really that has made us to be proud, and people got attracted. That was the growth of Sri Maharishi Vidya Mandir there. So from there, Mr. Narasimhan went to Kalpakam and got posted as a PGT in computer science. And I used to see him whenever he is there in the school. Still, I remember we had a very small banyan tree. Later on, we have made a little platform on that. I used to see that him always is with a book. That really made him to grow like this. Today, I could see that he has an array of degrees with him. Really, I am saluting you, sir, for taking up that initiative and growing to the extent. I thought that you are with the same qualification, but you have added many credits, many accolades in your life that made you to be very proud, and we are also very proud of you. And Mr. Narasimhan has served at Mumbai, Pune, and right now he is at Rawatbetta. I'm so happy that today is a part of our celebration. So what we could understand from his growth is that only the perseveration and determination will be making us to go further and further. I wish this program shall be bestowed with a lot of his inspirational speeches, and see that we are getting inspired and we'll be learning about it. And Mr. T. Narasimhan is a resource person for technology infusement into the curriculum in various parts of the Atomic Energy Central schools. I wish that we can imbibe a little from him and see that, let us follow it. I wish all of us will have a very good day with him by getting all the informations what he is feeling good to be given to us. And I, on behalf of you and on behalf of myself, I wish my hearty welcome to Mr. Narasimhan to this virtual meeting of Sri Gurukulam for its celebration of Teachers' Day. I wish you all the best. And I thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity of introducing him. Thank you very much. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. We are really fortunate to have your guidance with us. Now it's time for us to have a journey into our school.
Krishnan. That is our JSPC campus. The Bhumi Puja.
So that is about our school, and further program department wise 1 or 2 items will be shown
Okay.
for the
Now-
past 10 years. Yes.
Now it's time for us to receive the honor from the young buddies of Sri Gurukulam on this wonderful moment.
Jai Gurudev. Do you know what's special today? This day is a very special day for a very special person who holds our hand from our mom and never leaves it down. They are our teachers. Every year on September 5th, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is being celebrated as Teachers' Day across the country. True teachers are those who help us think for ourselves, said by Dr. Radhakrishnan. This day is a Thanksgiving Day to all the teachers who give their full potential to rise our potential. They keep inspiring us to do the best. Behind every successful person, there is a teacher who taught them success. They teach us the right path and guide us to be the best. They give us all the reasons to dream big and all the resources to achieve it. At this moment, I heartily thank all the teachers who keep inspiring and guide me on the right track. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Thank you.
Jai Gurudev. Teachers are as hot as fire, furious like a lion, yet burns themselves to make us higher. Their hard works never lie on. Children may think them as devil, yet teachers never leave their will. In making us a good behaving soul, they prick themselves as needles, guiding us all of their life just to make us fine. Surely a day I saw her in future, it would be the memory-filled day to capture. And that day would be the day teacher satisfies a grown-up child thinking their sacrifice. No words to thank her, but never expects a thank to hear. Happy Teachers' Day to every teachers. Thank you.
ஜெய் குருதேவ். அனைவருக்கும் காலை வணக்கம். அறப்பணி என்றாலே ஆசிரியர் பணிதான். மாதா, பிதா, குரு, தெய்வம் என்ற வரிசையில் தாய் தந்தைக்கு அடுத்தபடியாக கூறுவது நம் ஆசிரியர்களை தான். அவர்களை பாராட்டும் வகையில் செப்டம்பர் 5ஆம் நாள், அதாவது முன்னாள் குடியரசுத் தலைவர் டாக்டர் ராதாகிருஷ்ணரின் பிறந்த நாளான இன்று ஆசிரியர் தினத்தை கொண்டாடுகிறோம். சிறு சிறு மூங்கில் குச்சிகளாக இருக்கும் நம்மை அழகாக துளையிட்டு அற்புதமான புல்லாங்குழலாக மாற்றுபவர்கள்தான் ஆசிரியர்கள். ஒரு குழந்தையை பெற்றெடுப்பவள் தாய், ஒரு நிலத்தை பயிரிடுபவன் விவசாயி, ஒரு சிலையை வடிவமைப்பவன் கலைஞன், ஒரு கவிதையை படைப்பவன் கவிஞன். ஒவ்வொரு மாணவரையும் மனிதராக்குபவர் ஒரு ஆசிரியர். சின்ன சின்ன சொல்லெடுத்து சிறகடித்து படிக்க வைத்து இமைகள் போல பாதுகாத்து அன்போடு எண்ணம் பதித்து கல்வியோடு என் மாணவா நீ வாழ வேண்டும் என்று நம்மை பற்றி ஒவ்வொரு வினாடியும் நினைத்து கொண்டு வாழ்பவர்கள்தான் நம் ஆசிரியர்கள். ஆசிரியர்கள் இல்லை என்றால் இந்த உலகே விந்தையாகி போயிருக்கும். எனவே சிறுத்தையோடு கல்லை கலையாக்கி தனித்துவம் அடைய செய்த அனைத்து ஆசிரியர் பெருமக்களுக்கும் என் இனிய ஆசிரியர் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்களை கூறி என் உரையை முடித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
ஜெய் குருதேவ். அனைவருக்கும் என் இனிய வணக்கங்கள். இன்று நான் ஆசான் என்ற தலைப்பில் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு கவிதையை படிக்க வந்துள்ளேன். மண்ணோடு இருந்தேன் தங்கத் துகளென அறிந்தெடுத்தாய், கசடோடு இருந்தேன் கல்வி கொடுத்தாய் கரை நீக்கிட. துகளாகவே இருந்தேன் உழுக்கும் சொல்லி ஆழியாக்கினாய், உவப்புடன் ஆழியானேன் வியப்புடன் விரலோடு கோர்த்தாய். உன் கைப்பிடித்து நடந்தேன் உலகை உணரச் செய்தாய், பண்புடன் பழகி அன்புடன் அரவணைத்தாய். நான் உன் விரலிலிருந்து நழுவிய போதெல்லாம் விரலோடு இறுகத் தொடங்கினேன், உன் இளமை வந்தது என அவிழ்த்தெடுத்தாய். உன்னால் உலகை உணர்ந்தேன் ஆசானே, உன்னால் தூய்மையடைந்தேன். உலகின் ஒரு உவமையானேன், இவ்வுலகால் விலை சொல்ல இயலவில்லை என் தூய்மைக்கும் ஒழுக்கத்திற்கும். என்னை மென்மேலும் வழிநடத்தும் என் ஆசான்களுக்கு சமர்ப்பணம். இனிய ஆசிரியர் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, dear students. Let's all watch the department achievements.
Yes, sir. Sir, no problem. 10 to 10.
Jai Gurudev, good morning to one and all present. We, the Department of Science, feel that we are very fortunate to disclose our best practices in this forum. We, the adult learners of this team, are supporting the children on cost-effective, practical-oriented learning. We encourage a culture of questioning, thinking, listening, reading and writing in our team. Our beginning instructions will be very much clear. This learner-centered team is committed to work on outcome-based, technology-enabled learning in this top-notch school.
my pleasure to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, P. Narasimhan, Vice Principal, Atomic Energy Central School, Rawatdatta, Rajasthan, to share a few words on this proud occasion.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. So it's my happy and honor to be with you, all of you, on this happy occasion of the Teachers' Day. And first of all, I thank my dear friend, Mr. Mohan Sundar and Madam Sarojamani for inviting me for this program and to take part and to interact with all the teachers of Gurukulam. I am actually thrilled to be part of this program because Mr. Mohan Sundar and Madam, they have created a very rich infrastructure-based model school, I can say. I could say in few minutes, the effort put by him for developing such a very wonderful school for the residents and for the students of Hosur area. And it is not so easy to start any school and run it very successfully. Because I know him right from 1994, and Madam also, we all worked together. And it was a great time that we used to learn, we used to share, and we used to interact with each other in very friendly and cordial manner. That really helped for all of us to grow with the support of Jai Gurudev, the blessings of Jai Gurudev. So, I'm here to remember Mr. Vegatachalam, ex-principal of the Maharishi Vidya Mandir, who gave me the chance to work in MBM Senior Secondary School, and Mr. Venkatramana, secretary, and all my dear friends. Actually, that team, still if we recall, really a wonderful team, and everybody wanted to shine like anything. It's a kind of a competition, we can say. Everybody wanted to give their best during that time. When I joined, really I felt that how I will be going to survive with these people, because that time, even see, today I am seeing the way how Mr. Mohan Sundar sir is presenting. It's like excellent motivator and a speaker from that time only. First, when I used to see his speech, I am nothing in front of him, what I will be doing here. But really I am telling, I have learned a lot of things from Maharishi Vidya Mandir, from our senior faculty members. I can say I have grown. Rather, I give myself best to the school. I have grown myself, and whatever the best possible I wanted to give, I give. And one thing what actually I have liked in private organization, particularly in private schools, wherever we work, when we work with dedication, with honesty, with hard work, that definitely that will be recognized by the organization. You could witness from the speech of our Mr. Mohan Sundar, the way how he takes care of the things and takes care of the teachers, and he wants them to progress in their future. So any private organization, people, what they will think, good teachers always should be with me only. That is a natural thinking, because we want to retain the talents. But you have to grow yourself and you have to shine. You come back as a chief guest to my school again. It's a great feeling actually for the teachers. So the opportunity is being created to excel not only for the students, even for the teachers. I remember in those days in Maharishi Vidya Mandir, very good number of bright students came up. And the way how teachers, they used to train them. Rather, I can say that they were not like a teachers, they were like mentors. Mentors, it is more than a teacher. So the personal touch, personal caring by the teachers to the students definitely makes a lot of impact in the minds of the students. So I could see in those days actually, I remember one Mr. Raghavendran, a computer science student. Maybe he's very good position. He joined that time in IIT, and one is DT Saravanan. Whenever I used to interact with them, I used to find out the sharpness of those students. After that, wherever, in whichever school I worked, if I see such type of sharpness, I used to tell them that you are having such caliber. You can come up in your life like this. Like that, I can quote many students there. You know, 4th standard Ramadevi, one student was there. She is such a sharp student. And she used to tell me that, see, one day I was wearing very, like, I used to have only 4 or 5 shirts. Sudhar knows about my condition actually. I used to have only 4 or 5 shirts. I used to come weekly, one shirt, 3 days, 4 days also I used to wear. And one day she was telling me that, sir, actually we want to give you a gift to you. What would you like to give? We want to give a gift of 1 shirt. I was surprised. Why this girl is telling? Why do you want to give me shirt? Yes, sir. We thought that. So if you wear this new shirt, it will be good. It means that the sharpness of the child, what I have observed there, they are taking each and everything from the teacher. Because we are the role model for them. And what we are telling, more than their parents, they believe and they trust us. And when that child told me like that, I was really surprised. I told her, beta, not like that. See, this particular color dress only I am having 2. The same thing my father purchased and gave me. That I am wearing 2 different days. It may be looking like the same one I am wearing for you. Like that, when I told her, she started laughing. So it means that the cuteness of the child you should enjoy. The way how they are trying to take things from us, if we just try to understand that, definitely we can shine like anything. So when the opportunity is given, definitely we have to develop ourselves and we have to give our best to the organization. See, that time I remember when I joined, my pay was 1,750 in August 1994. And every year by year, I am not telling it so proudly actually, but the thing how we can grow wherever we work. This is a good thing to learn how to be a dedicated person, dedicated teacher to an organization, how we can grow ourselves also. And within 4 years, I reached first year TGT, PGT, all they gave. And when I left in 1998, I was getting a salary next to Sarojamani Madam. I remember that. Correct, no, sir? Yeah, that was possible because the recognition by the management for the business. So we know, I never went and told that I am doing this much work like that. I was doing just normal my work only. More than me, many others also are doing. But people are there to recognize our work and to appreciate the work. Then such things are happening in the organization. Organization will grow like anything. See, organization is a system actually. In this system, there are several pillars, main 4 pillars: management, teachers, parents, and the students. If everything is working in a correlated manner, then definitely the purpose of that system, the educational system, we can achieve to the maximum or to the greater extent. So that what I could witness here, a system what Mr. Mohan Sundar and Madam has created, and the teachers are in the safe hands of the organization. As he was mentioning in the beginning of the speech itself, in this COVID situation, even I can say central government, they have reduced some sort of perks. Even the many state government organizations, they are not paying at all. But still, the surviving is important. In this type of different situation, we no need to be a very luxurious people actually. We need how to survive and how to give and how to take the best things from the students. See, now it is a very great tough situation for all of us to retain the students also, I can say. Now, many parents may say that, say, when my child is not coming to the school, then why should I pay a fees? Such situation may arise in different schools. Even I can say in government school, though most of the boards are from the employees of this organization, still they have such type of feeling that when my child is not going to school, why should I make payment? But a school system cannot run like that. No, it is required some sort of fund. Otherwise, it is not possible actually. So when we give our best during this pandemic situation also, definitely the parents and the students always they'll appreciate our work. What effort actually I have taken, because we have taken in our organization, because Atomic Energy Central School, it is almost spread across the country in 16 centers or 31 schools. Our organization is a very small organization, I can say. Only 31 schools are there. It is run by Atomic Energy Education Society under Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India organization. Head office is in Mumbai. It happened to work at head office also for more than 10 years. Our system of education, it is almost up to 10th standard. In every place it is CBSE only, like Gurukulam only. And in 11th and 12th, depending upon the need of the people, need of the students, they follow state board also and CBSE also. In Mumbai, junior college is affiliated to CBSE, Maharashtra board, and school number 4 is affiliated to this CBSE. And here in Rawatbata, we are completely up to 12th, it is affiliated to Central Board of Education only. And in our system, in this particular pandemic also, we have taken lot of effort and we tried our level best to equip our students the maximum learn. In the sense that I know that classroom teaching by the teacher can never be replaced. You know, rightly said by Bill Gates, that technology can never be a substitute for a teacher, only it is an aid, it is a supplementary item. So, with the support of that item, may not be possible to achieve 100% actually, may not be possible to achieve 90% of the learning what it takes place in the school, but still we can ensure that 80 to 90% of the learning can take place in effective manner through this online education. Thanks to our Google Pichai, Google Sundar Pichai actually, for such a platform, this Google Meet, you see now all over the world at free of cost we are using. And because of this, I am able to communicate with you. And this WhatsApp, now every classroom activities are going through WhatsApp. Most probably Gurukulam also will be doing in the same fashion. So every class, one group we have created. And what we have done actually here, in a systematic way. If I share that what is happening in our organization also, definitely it will a kind of a sharing of the educational learning and teaching between the organization. Now by seeing your school atmosphere, I am learning a lot of things and what best I can give to my school. That is my thinking. So in short span of 10 years, our SAR has created such a good infrastructure for the school. Really it is amazing, sir. Hats off to you. And because I know that he is very much focused and he gave importance for the infrastructure even in Maharishi Vidya Mandir also. Many buildings, it has come up because of his effort. That time Mr. Venkatramana sir and Subbarao sir, I think, secretaries, they have given lot of freedom and they have taken, actually we can say, Sarva sir, one of the trustee, like I can say. And he has involved in that, so with that rich experience, he has established such a very good organization. So really, it gives a good feeling that a good organization serving for students under the name of Gurukulam. We know that the concept of Gurukulam, it gives, we don't need to explain in detail. That name says that what it can do for the students. This is a kind of overall development. In modern terms, we can say that overall development, that was the concept of Gurukulam actually, taking every aspect of the growth of the child. So same way here, we are not only focusing on academic. My dear teachers, I can say that the academic subject, what we are teaching, just if you recall what the child has studied in 5th standard, they will not be able to recall in 9th standard or in 10th standard. What they have studied in 10th standard, that subject content curriculum, they will not be able to recall it after 4 or 5 years. But the values what they are inculcating in the minds of students, that will remember forever in their future, and the values of co-curricular activities, values of sports, what you are giving to them, that makes them a complete student. See, our students, whenever they go to a big organization for a campus interview, other selections, they are shining like anything, means not only because of academic, but because of the exposure, because of the opportunities what the school is creating for them in such type of fields. So always I insist the other extracurricular co-curricular activities must be focused to the school so that the students can gain much overall development. I can say this is more important for shining in their life. See, a bookish type of student definitely will score more than 95% he will be able to score. But if he is not being focused for other activities, co-curricular and overall development, and somewhere in the life he will be struggling. And he should be made ready for facing the challenges in the life actually. So we are preparing students for the life, not for the mark actually. So that should be the ultimate goal of any organization. So even if some students are not scoring very good, even if my school result goes to some 95%, 94%, doesn't matter actually. Because that child, little extra he has learned from our school and he has gone out of the school. Even if not this time, another 6 months, he will clear the exam. But the thing which he has to learn in the school for his life, if we are giving that, definitely it will be there in their mind. And they will remember us always actually. So whenever I recall my school days, I remember the teacher, what motivational words told me. Not the subject, algebra or geometry, what he taught, I am not remembering. My maths teacher, Mr. Ramamurthy, in 9th standard, what he taught, still the topic I don't remember. The way how he recognized my talent, and this fellow in maths is very good. He can come up in life. The words what he told, that still I remember. And whenever I think of mathematics, Mr. Ramamurthy comes to my mind. And we may not remember even the college teachers, school teachers. If you remember your primary school teachers, all will remember. Today also we will remember our primary school. My first standard teacher, Mr. M.D. Stalin, the way how he taught me, I remember. That is why always I insist in every school, primary education is the most important education. If we take care properly during the elementary stage, right from pre-prep to 5th standard, that child, if they are learning it in the proper way, and if they are learning in a disciplined manner, and that will automatically shape them, and when they go to the higher classes, they themselves will prepare, we no need to take care. That is why I insist always to the parents also, in the early stage, during the first 4 or 5 years of their study, you need to sit with them. Sit for 1 hour, 2 hours daily. Whether you teach or not, you engage them. By sitting with them, you engage them. So it gives a confidence to them. So at the early stage, actually, creating confidence is much more important in them. And we should never discourage them for any such type of different things also. Say, after all, they are child. They will be creating naughtiness in the classroom. All this expected one. But we should make them, or we should mold them in proper way, how a better learning can take place, how he can shine in his life. Because the teaching is not a very simple profession. A common word they used to say, it is a noble profession. My dear teachers, the board, it's a very big board. We may not give thought to that particular word, how depth it is actually, but I can proudly say that we all should feel proud for being a teacher. Because this noble profession, only by this, we will get satisfaction. This is the only profession where we will not get jealous about the progress of the people. My student, if he is reaching to the highest position, I will feel proud. But in no other profession, a doctor, if another doctor can never prize.
It starts connection
Can't
reception. Let us wait for some time.
Okay.
Our location is, sir?
He is from North India.
Oh.
Rajasthan, Rawalpindi.
Okay, okay. So the connect is making everybody nearby. On mouse click, you are near.
Yes.
I think he is trying to.
Rawalpindi. That is the place of Mr. Narasimha.
Oh, and your camera, my name is coming. I should not mistake.
Ah.
Yes,
I'm using this laptop.
Exchange.
You're using my computer. She gave a school
Don't
computer.
Shakti Layal show me.
She gave school computer to me. I don't know whether you are able to listen to me. You hear my voice, Shakti?
Yes, yes, yes. It's audible, audible. Greet all the teachers. Greet all the teachers.
Very well audible, sir. Very well audible. We were also thinking why madam has changed her voice.
Mr. Vellingiri can greet all the teachers. All are here in this forum.
In between, it may be disturbing.
No, no, no problem. You take half a second and greet.
Half a second.
As soon as you come, you stop.
There is a strong message in MS laughing. Half a second you give me. Half a second, which you all.
Instead of wasting time like this, you can greet the teachers.
Can somebody call him mobile?
Yes, we will do that. You greet the teachers.
Okay, then I will use
order.
Yes. We should know what is the status of his connection, sir.
I am connecting him, sir.
Okay. நான் யூஸ் பண்ண பண்ணிக்கிட்டுமா 2 minutes 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what madam says. Please.
Yes, Shakti.
Yes, sir. That's what madam says. You can use this time. The gap let us fill. You can reach the teachers.
Okay, let him try. I would like to take this time, manage time, instead of sitting idle. Teaching is very noble profession. Good, all of your teachers. Even now I have, when I go to native place, I meet my maths teacher. I feel maths helped me for most of my job in the company. It is not just teaching, your parenting, guiding, inspiring the students. I have seen many times. I only visit Saturday, but I have seen many of you. Among all profession, I rate teaching as best profession because this is the only profession where even engineer, doctor, any administrative officer, anybody, all are educated by teachers. You are the building blocks of the society, linking individual goals to societal development. You build not just the knowledge, you build the character of a person. You act as a ladder for all students to excel in their profession, also in their life. What you do is not a job, it is a service. Wish you all happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Voice was audible.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much audible, sir. Thank you, sir.
So you used me as a gap filler. Your management is very good. If we can get him.
You called him, sir?
Ma'am, I have called him. He's not lifting the call.
Okay. Appa next பண்ணுங்க something. Next program, when he comes back, you restart.
We'll watch the speech by the primary school student.
Okay.
Let us listen to the speech.
Yes.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் மெல்லினா. நான் ஸ்ரீ குருகுலம் பள்ளியில் 2ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கின்றேன். ஆசிரியர் தினத்தை பற்றி அறிந்து கொண்ட உங்களோடும் பகிர்ந்து கொள்கின்றேன். நமக்கு அன்பை கொடுப்பவர்கள் நமது தாய் தந்தையர்கள். நமக்கு அறிவை கொடுப்பவர்கள் நமது ஆசிரியர்கள். ஒழுக்கம், பண்பு, விடாமுயற்சி, பொது அறிவு ஆகிய அனைத்தும் கற்றுக் கொடுப்பவர்கள் நமது ஆசிரியர்கள். நமக்கு சிறந்த வழிகாட்டியாக இருக்கும் ஆசிரியர்களுக்கு நன்றி செலுத்தும் வகையில் ஒவ்வொரு வருடமும் செப்டம்பர் 5ஆம் தேதி அன்று ஆசிரியர் தினத்தை கொண்டாடி வருகின்றோம். மாபெரும் தத்துவ மேதையாக விளங்கிய டாக்டர் ராதாகிருஷ்ணர் அவர்கள் பிறந்த நாள் செப்டம்பர் 5. ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியராக இறுதி காலம் வரை வாழ்ந்து காட்டினார். இவர் பிறந்த நாளை தான் ஆசிரியர் தினத்தை கொண்டாடி வருகின்றோம். மாணவர்கள் அனைவரையும் சிறந்த மனிதராக உருவாக்குபவர்கள் நமது ஆசிரியர்கள். நமக்கு சிறந்த வழிகாட்டியாக இருக்கும் ஆசிரியர்களுக்கு வணங்குவோம், வாழ்த்துவோம். நன்றி.
Sir has joined.
Nandri. Yes, sir has joined. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Over to sir.
Sir, please go ahead. We're waiting. Sir, sir, I think you can mute your video, sir. Because there is some broadband issue. Yes. I think Sir has come in his daughter's account, so Vaishnavi.
Actually, here suddenly power failure problem today.
Okay.
Though it is a atomic energy power institution, but it happens sometimes unexpectedly.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir, please.
Okay, very nice. So, my dear teachers, actually, I was insisting for the passion and for the dedication. What we expect, the things should go to the students if we are prepared well in advance, and if we are thinking that my child should grow and they should go to a bright future, they should get a bright future, definitely we will be remembered forever. I was recalling my old days also, and I was just insisting that the role of the primary teacher is much more important in any school, and preparing them for the better education. And being a teacher, actually, what actually we have gained or what we have experienced, or what is the expectation of the management, and that if we can fulfill, and we will have a peaceful and satisfied work environment. So in order to make, or if you want to become a very good teacher, what are the things actually it is required by the organization? Because as a reporting officer or reviewing officer, what I expect from my teachers, and that if I can share a little bit in our system what we are following, and that definitely to grow yourself and to give your best to the organization, I feel it will be more appropriate on this occasion.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We deserve.
Definitely. See, now the first and foremost important the thing what an organization expects, or what a teacher should have in them, is nothing but the knowledge of the subject. Unless until we are master in our subject, we will not be able to give our best to the students. See, with little knowledge or not complete knowledge, we cannot survive for a long period in this field actually. So mastering the subject and updating the subject timely and giving whatever the relevant things to the subject that will have a very good name for the teacher among the students as well as among the parents also. So once if you become master in the subject, the next thing actually what is required, the media of communication, the way how we should communicate to the students. If we know the content thoroughly, nicely, I can understand everything, but if I am not able to deliver it properly, then the thing what I like to communicate to the students, it may not go it in the proper way. So definitely there we will be missing it. So the proper subject management, having the depth knowledge and the communication skill, that is more important. And in order to be a role model to the student, a teacher must be a self-disciplined person. And a student will say that my teacher is like this, so I want to follow my teacher. Because the thing, small things we may not notice, but the students will notice in the classroom actually. So such type of thing, if you have your own policy as a teacher, you can develop a self-discipline or self-policy, so that some qualities will imbibe in the minds of the students, and that will always remembered by the student. And being a teacher, very important thing, this patience and kindness. If a teacher is not having patience, definitely they cannot shine in their profession. That too, particularly I can say primary, pre-prep, prep, and middle school teachers, no, they need to handle the students with a lot of patience. I know that because in the teacher education courses, whatever they are studying, this is the basic and primary thing they will be learning. Still, we need to implement in our profession also, so that definitely that patience and kindness to the students will give additional respect among the parents and students. And actually we should not make students to read from the book, we should stimulate them. It's our thinking that whatever I say, you have to read, you have to follow. Not like that. I am telling the way how to read. So the role of the teacher here is how to stimulate the students for a better learning. So in that way, we should behave like a mentor for preparing the students. And without preparation, you never go to the class. Whether it is a first standard or second standard, just have a glance in your mind that you visualize today what I am going to speak with my teacher. I am not telling for 40 minutes period you need to prepare 40 minutes, not like that. 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes you spend for 40 minutes what I am going to do with my students. Have a clear thought in your mind. So it makes, okay, these are the things I have planned. So when I go to my class, I have to engage. See, if a teacher is not engaging the students properly in the classroom, then there is a scope for a lot of noise, disturbance in the class, and class control. So many other issues will be there. Why it happens in the classroom? Because I may not be prepared well, I might not have prepared well, so that I will be facing such problem. So the proper planning and preparation, you know, that lesson planning, so many things are there. Those are all like formal things on paper you are writing, notebook you are writing, okay, all that it's very good. But still, in mind you need to prepare. And today, in what way I should give my best and how my students will learn a little bit extra. Whichever subject you give, there you need to add some extra quality in that topic, and so that the students will give attention to your subject, so that definitely the classroom environment will be under your control. See, if it is not in your control, definitely the things, whatever way you are expecting, it may not go there. So it is very much required. And another thing, every organization will definitely like if any teacher is making a self-initiative. That self-initiative is very important. Okay, whatever my principal or vice principal HM says, I will do. Beyond that, what I will do? That should not be thinking actually. No. If you little bit extra think, see, this I have thought, sir, I want to do in this way for this class. This subject I want to teach. I need this facility. Very well, every organization will be very happy to come forward and help you, and they will definitely support you. And here, one thing, we no need to feel or have any shyness to have a unique qualities. Sometimes what happens in some schools, I have observed, a teacher, if they are coming forward and giving something better and better, other teachers, they start criticizing. It should not be that feeling actually. What happens now, when you give something in a unique and a different style, initially it may attract some sort of criticism also, some sort of different thinking also, but you be with your policy and whatever way you want to give, and that if you provide, and that will become a unique identity of teaching style for you. So every teacher should be a branded one. It means creating self-branding. Creating brand value for the organization is much important. Bit of planning, and I think the organization, the trustees, they have taken a lot of care in establishing this organization. That part, even teacher, much no need to think, but building the teacher image, brand image of the teacher. For every teacher, it is more important. Whether it is a teacher or office staff, or whether a lab assistant or MTS, whoever may be. So everybody, they feel that what I can contribute to my organization. If that feeling is there, definitely a kind of extra thing you are giving to the organization. So automatically our dedication will be proved. Dedication is nothing but simply not a simple word. It comes from the heart. It comes from the mind actually. The way how we should involve ourselves, that self-initiative, all such matters for that dedication. And while handling the students, there's an important thing actually, in fair manner we should handle. Fair manner. I know that most of the students are most of the teachers are very good because our profession is like that. And in the classroom environment, sometimes if we give more importance to a very bright student only, and if we start not ignoring, I can say, if we don't give importance, or if you don't ask more questions, or if you are not caring, then the child will feel that I am being neglected here. So when such feeling comes to the mind and the involvement in studies, it will go down. So in that time, little word, small motivation to the average or below average or slow learners will make them, no, this I have to do. This I have to do because my teacher has told. She has praised me. So such feeling will give to them also to learn much better way. So this classroom management and establishing the relationship with the student is much important. So unless and until you create a good relationship with the student, and if the student is not feeling comfortable with any teacher, then that student may not pay attention. See, I have seen many students used to skip my online classes of some subjects. The reason I asked some teachers, they used to say, some students, they used to say that, and sir, this class is a little bit boring. And that teacher I like very much because the way of teaching, the way of encouragement, what I am getting, that gives me a pleasure of attending this class, so I will never miss that class. So such a feeling when it comes to the minds of the students, definitely it's a very important thing that establishes the relationship between the student and the teacher. So when we prepare ourselves, because you have decided my future is a teacher, my career is a teacher. So once you have decided that you want to be in this field, what best you can prepare yourself, that is very much important. That you have to equip yourself. That equipping yourself, being a best teacher is very important. That will not come in 1 or 2 days. The way how we are thinking, the way how we are making ourselves for giving the best, and that will give an identity, a uniqueness for any teacher. And this arousing the interest of the students, I am telling this is very important. Unless and until the student is having interest in the class to listen, and whatever we deliver, it may not go even 40-50% also. So arousing the student by making a different strategy, different strategy also we no need to think a lot. Now the technology, it is inculcated or it is integrated in every subject. Use of technology, use of stories, giving some real life examples and quoting the people. Not every day, time to time, the relevant things, if you just make use of that, that will definitely arouse the interest of the students. Once the students are very much interested, and definitely whatever we are trying to give, that will be going in the better way. And see, as a teacher, what I can do for my management, how, in what way I can support. See, they are giving salary, I am giving my service as a teaching. Not like that actually. See, salary getting less or high or more or low, it is immaterial. But here, we should feel one thing. This is my passion. My field. In my field, I want to do. For that, whatever you deserve, that will come automatically. We no need to ask anybody. Because if you deserve much, they will definitely give in time it. So, as in for the organization, in what way we can help or what we can support? Definitely the public relation of the organization with the parents, public is more important. So when we, okay, some parents are coming to the school and or some public somewhere in the market, somewhere they are talking. And they are asking some sort of queries or some related things. As a teacher, I should have the minimum things about the organization, what is required to be conveyed to the public. No, this you please go and talk in office. Or if you say you ask this particular teacher or that particular teacher, it means that about the organization I am not fully aware. Such feeling will come. So, whatever minimum required as a teacher about the organization, always you should learn or you should keep in your mind. And whenever a student is asking or a parent is asking, we should give a good feedback and humbleness and the politeness and the hospitality. Whatever we are doing, we are showing to the public, parents, it will create a great image in the minds of the parents. So that gives the reputation of the organization. So even we care a lot for government organization also. So actually, normally you can see in government organization, okay, students are coming, we will be teaching, and we are getting salary. Like that also we can go, but we don't see in that manner actually. It's a reputation of the school, brand image of the school, that is more important among the public, among the people. So what is required for that? Definitely we need to support the organization, and in any teaching organization, for any teacher, some sort of things always we should not keep in mind, a kind of fear, a kind of this feeling for the failure and a kind of frustration. All that we should just keep aside, and how to tackle the situation. See, in a classroom about 50-60 students will be there. A question can come from any corner of this classroom, but still they are able to handle them because we have prepared. So even if you face any difficulties in the life, you should be ready to face such type of things because we have prepared for the life in the education, in the school, colleges. Now we are experimenting and we are learning, and we will use that a better thing in our life, and you can progress like anything. Whatever you do, wherever you go, if your heart supports and if your heart says that what I am doing is correct, do that. Give your best. That will be recognized, and definitely you all are having a very bright future because you are in a very good organization under the able administrator, under the able dynamic principal madam. I used to see the style of working of our Sarojamani madam in the Maharishi Vidya Mandir. Very humble, polite, and very caring personality. So we never had any sort of problem under her leadership. We enjoyed a lot actually. We got a lot of encouragement, courageousness. That is why still, whenever I hear the name of Maharishi Vidya Mandir, I have a great pleasure in my mind, in my heart. That always in my life, I will remember this MBM friends, and I take this opportunity to thank one and all, Madam, all the teachers. Though I may not be much deserved for the words told by Mobile Center, sir, but still I take it for granted. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
I
Thank
take
you
it.
for sharing.
It's a great
Thank you,
honor,
sir, for
Mr.
sharing.
Narasimhan. You really deserve more than this, because I see the growth of a very humble personality to the highest position in one of the organization, and as a key person in making the changes, in bringing the changes. That's what we felt, that you will be really an inspirational teacher. Maybe we have not been given those many opportunities in our school days, and we aspired and we have made it possible. So definitely you are one among those stalwarts who have gone from a very small village to a very highest position. That is a true inspiration what we wanted to derive from you. And really I enjoyed how your function, how your school functions. It means how the school is functioning effectively in bringing out the talents of every individual. And you have taken care of every part of the teaching community, every part of a teacher, and everyone is not, everyone is being taken care. Nobody is left. Really, it's a very good opportunity. I really feel proud seeing Mr. Narasimhan in a great heights. And thank you very much, sir, for having accepted our invitation. It is not formal Thanksgiving, but really I feel very happy. What I have seen you in '94 and what we are seeing you in 2020. I wish that you will become a great person in your organization. Maybe to any senior level position. I do not know what is your senior level. Maybe an education officer, or maybe a officer of All India rank. I wish you all the best. I wish your family members and your daughter who is planning to take her medicine. We wish you all the best. And incidentally, Madam's sir's wife is also a computer science teacher at the same school, and he is blessed with 2 children. So one is in the standard 11, I suppose. Other one is preparing for NEET at Rawat Bhatta. So we wish him a great success in life and a happy and very enterprising life forever. Thank you very much on behalf of myself, Mohan Sundar, and family, and the entire family of Sri Gurukul. Really, I feel proud. Thank you very much, sir. Jai Guru.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your kind words. Thank you, madam, and thank you one and all once again. Thank you. Thank you.
One, sir, wait, sir. Madam will talk.
Yes, yes. My Vijayshri, can we have a vote of thanks now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev. Sir has taken us to Maharishi Vidya Mandir. I enjoyed my life in Maharishi Vidya Mandir with all the team, whatever he quoted. Thank you very much, sir. Enjoyable moment of today's is very well remembered forever. Thank you. Jai Gurudev, pranams to my gurus. One book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. It's said by Dr. Radhakrishnan. Teachers are the role models to the younger generation. They affect the heart of every child, and they continue to affect the eternity in the days to come. Once again, I greet our guest of honor, Mr. Narasimhan. We both were together, we were handling the classes.
Biology, computer science.
Yes, biology, computer science. Whenever he had biology class, I used to go for, whenever I have biology class, sir used to come for computer science class. So we both were working together and we enjoyed his presence. I never quarreled with him. Our sir also didn't say anything about my maybe the late arrival or anything. We enjoyed the days in Maharishi Vidya Mandir. And whenever, because those days it was very difficult to use the computers. Only I know to read computer, that's all. Computer lab. I wouldn't have entered much in computer lab. Even now also I am like that only. But we enjoyed sir's presence. I thank sir on behalf of Sri Gurukulam for his valuable address to all our teachers. Our teachers would have taken a lot of information today, and this information will be carried throughout their life. I thank you very much, sir, for
Thank
your
you, madam.
valuable. Thank you, sir. We feel it is our great pride and honor on this day to thank all our alma maters who played a great role in making what we are today. I thank our respected correspondent, Mr. Mohan, who is the source of all inspiration and who always guides us, keeping the future in mind and preparing us to face all the challenges of life with more positive way. As sir was telling, when he was in Magarishi or even now also, he is like that only. We take immense pleasure in thanking our coordinators and HODs for their constant guidance all throughout the year for various programs. Their loving encouragement makes us always be confident in doing things. Thank you for your support. My heartfelt thanks to all our teachers, our second parents, who always stand by us, guide us, lead us, motivate us. You deserve. For all these words, yes, you deserve for these. Dear teachers, we feel proud and thank you for being, yes, pillars of Sri Gurukulam and making us feel happy with your presence to this function. Your presence did make us feel proud. Thank you, dear teachers. Our sincere thanks to all our staff who took a lot of effort in organizing this grand function as successful. A big thanks to all our friends, all the teachers, all the members of staff, and all our well-wishers, including Mr. Vellingiri. The essence of fruit is always tested at the last, and we believe last will be the best forever. We want to thank all our organizers for cooperating with us in making this Teachers' Day a memorable one for every one of us. Dear friends, dear Sir, Mr. Narasimhan, the management, we respect our teachers for their sacrifice in making every one of us a great personalities for the future. May God bless you all. Thank you very much, sir. Once again, my sincere thanks to every one of you who are there in this group. Thank you, Narasimhanji. Thank you. Jai Gurudev. Convey my greetings
Thank you,
to
madam.
all family members.
I'm
My best wishes
okay,
to
thank
you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. It's time for us to bring an end to this memorable occasion. I request all to stand up for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Gurudev.
Thank you all. Happy Teachers Day.
Very well.